Sagot ko na yata yung tanong.
Oo nga eh. Pero gandang.
I guess we should embrace the idea that the communicators, whether you're a filmmaker, teacher, researcher, or even a student, we can assume the watchdog function of journalism. Even though you are not a journalist in a commercial journalism sense, as a filmmaker, you can be a watchdog of our government, and therefore making people accountable for their actions. You don't need to produce a full-length documentary for you to be able to do that. But I think by embracing the idea that we can produce change by means of communication, even though we consider that as a soft skill, it can produce powerful impact in society. And your knowledge of narrative and storytelling, how it can be a powerful tool for social change and awareness.
Sir Toms, would you like to add to what you already said?
One word. Paninindigan.
Yes.
Principle, the right principle. I guess if you have the right paninindigan, it will lead you to a path that will show the truth that is based on facts. Because right now, it's a battle of truths. They have their own truth, we have our own truth. We have different truths. But if you have the right paninindigan, the right stance, I guess you as future communicators, filmmakers, producers, you will be able to present the reality that can change the direction of our country. It might be a big dream, but you start in small steps.
Baby steps.
Yeah, well, you're asking about the function of the communicators today and teachers too. Well, what comes to mind is that we have to be optimistic. I don't know how easy that is. That's difficult, to be optimistic, seeing all the problems around us. But we have to communicate that, right, to other people, that there's something good that we can look forward to, face the future with optimism, but at the same time, we have to act upon the issues.
Yun, there you go guys. So, panindigan. And may pahabol na question. Okay. Can we give her the mic? It's over there.